Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can restore the lost or accidentally deleted photos or videos in gallery on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then on your home screen, tap on the gallery app or swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the gallery app. Once the gallery app has opened, tap on the menu key, then tap on trash, and in here select the photos or videos that you would like to restore, and then tap on the restore button, and that will put the deleted photos back into your albums. And that's it. So that's how you can get back the lost or accidentally deleted photos or videos on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Finally, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.